Hey, what's up, Jarvis? How you doing, buddy? What is my name? What is artificial intelligence, and can you tell me the uses of artificial intelligence in the field of healthcare? Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Icris Studio. I hope you all are doing great. And this is the 11th video of our exciting series, Build Jarvis in Real Life. And today in this video, we're going to make our virtual assistant to perform tasks based on our voice. Basically, we're going to integrate speech to text conversion feature in our virtual assistant, Jarvis, which will enable our virtual assistant to perform actions based on our voice or by listening our voice. So just sit back, relax, and let's get started. Alright, so this is my working directory and let me tell you what we're going to do. So our first step is to convert our voice into text. For that, we're going to use JavaScript because it is fast at handling voice. If you remember from our previous tutorial, older videos, then we have used JavaScript with Python framework Flash to create a speech to text conversion. We have connected the backend and the front end and perform the action. But today we'll keep it super simple. No extra tool, just Python. I have already done all the coding thing and here I'll explain you what I have done. Okay. So inside the templates folder, I have a file called speak.html. It consists of two elements, a button and a div. So whenever user click on this button, then it will start listening user voice. After listening user voice, it will convert that voice into text. After converting the voice into text, it will return the text in this element. So what we need to do is we need to first click on this button and we need to speak something, then it will transcribe and then we need to scrap the result from this element. So to do this thing, we're going to use a Python module called Selenium. For those who don't know about Selenium, Selenium is a Python module that allows you to scrap any website. So this is the website that we're going to scrap. Alright. So inside the head, I have created a file jslisten.py. Here I have written all the code that will do the tasks for us. Alright. So here I have used Selenium module to do that. So what it is going to do is first it will open this website speak.html, then it will click on this button and it will transcribe our speech into text and it will scrap the thing that is inside this element and will return us in a Python variable. Alright, so let us understand this code. So here we have initialized the Chrome driver. So we have created few options. This is for making like whenever you open a website, then it will ask although this website is asking permission for microphone like that, so it will give the permission to that thing. Okay, after headless new, so whenever we open a Chrome, then it will load the GUI that we can see in front of the screen. Okay, so this VS Code is also a GUI, but by doing so we cannot see the GUI, but it will be run in the background. Okay, so after that we have set up the options, and here is the main part. So wherever you keep the speak.html, you need to provide the exact location right over here, self.website URL. So just right click and click on copy path. It will copy the whole path and put it right over here. And don't forget to put the R. If you don't put it, then it won't run. It will give you some error. Okay, so just put the R right over here and this will open the website. And here we have def, listen and capture. It will first click on the start button. After clicking on start button, our program will start to listen us. So we are printing listening to alert the user that it is listening to us. Okay, after that there's just a loop where we are checking if there's any element, there is any transcribed text. If then it will store that text into captured text variable and return us that variable. All right, so now let us run this. Since it is a class, so we need to create an instance for that. So we have created a variable speech recognizer and we have created an instance for that. And then inside a while loop, we have printed the speak recognizer that listened and captured. All right, so now let me see if it is working or not. Hey, what's up, Jarvis? How are you doing, buddy? What is my name? What is artificial intelligence, and can you tell me the uses of artificial intelligence in the field of healthcare? There you go. It is quite fast and like it is more faster and more better than the speech recognizer module in Python. All right, so that's what we have used this thing, but it's not quite accurate and it's not that much good. So we'll use this for temporary, and in the future I'll update you with a new speech to text converter. All right, which will be quite more faster and accurate and more accurate. All right, so there we go. You can see it converted this long type of speech into text in short time. All right. So now let me close this and let me integrate this with the function agent. Now in the function agent, first of all, let me go up right over here, and I have already imported the GS listen speech recognizer. After that, let me go down right over here, and I have created a variable speech recognizer with, and I have called the class right over here. After that, user query will be speech recognizer dot listen and capture. Mean what we are printing right over here will be stored as user query, and then we are passing this thing to the AI and other thing are same. All right. So now let me run this thing. Hey, what's up?
Not much, just hanging out. How about you? Need any help or just want to chat?
Can you tell me what is AI? All right. So there's a simple problem in converting text into speech. Okay. So it is taking a bit time. So I'm looking for the alternative, and once I got that, I'll update you all. And yeah, that's it. That's much for this today's video. And so let me tell you from where you can get this source code. To get this source code, first you need to head over to our Buy Me a Coffee page. It's right over here, ousted, or you will get the link in the description. Alright. So just click on shop, then there you will see this Jarvis source code. So there's two way. You can directly pay $30. It's a one-time payment and you won't get update related to the Jarvis. Suppose you purchase this today, and whenever I create a new update after 3 days, then you won't be able to get that update. You need to pay extra $30 for that. But if you take the membership, if you take the membership $20 per month, then you will unlock exclusive post messages and you will get a lot of feature, Discord benefit, early access to new content, and then you can access to this service source code for unlimited time. Means if you purchase the membership, then it will be free for you, and whenever I release any update, then you can view that once, like for infinite time, for a lifetime. So you can purchase the membership for $20 instead of purchasing the code for $30. That will be beneficial, and also you can get some heavy discount in other product as well, like $10 for members instead of 20. You will get 50% off in this choice as well, and 5% off in this short services. So I'll recommend you to use the member thing if you want to be stay updated in this thing. Okay. So now let me wrap this thing in a zip and I'll update that right now so you all can have access to this. All right. So and yeah, that's much. I'll catch you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.